the water experiment, and I am in my new place. I have a water bottle and a bowl, so let's get started. Put water in a bowl. It's actually a while. Doing. I'm gonna put the pencil inside and see what it will spin. It's been. It's the reflection. It's the reflection. I put in more objects. Now I'm putting a toothbrush. Oh my god, it looks bigger. I'm gonna put the whole thing in there. Oh my god, it's so small. I'm gonna put the whole thing in there. So big. Studio the reflection. That's how you pick off. Whoa. A studio the reflection! My blue color is my favorite, so I'm gonna put it in there. Oh, it's bended. It's bended. Oh my gosh, it's bended. Haha. Let's do your reflection. I'm gonna put the chopstick. It's bended. Haha. Let's do your reflection. Now I'm gonna put that next part in there. Oh my god. Bigger and bended. It's bigger and bended, haha. Let's do your reflection. Not the last week I have a comb and a scissor. It's bended. Haha, let's do the reflection. Bigger now. And also bended. Let's do the reflection now. Now we're going to draw an arrow on a picture, and I'm going to put this in the water, and I'm going to show you the reflection. I'm drawing an arrow on the paper. Our arrow is in his direction this, so we're going to put it in. This is your reflection. I'm sorry. The left one was different. It was pointing this way, and I was pointing this way. Reflection. Reflection. Love you. This is I love you. Now I'm gonna put it in the back. I'm gonna put this in there. It's in the back now. I'm gonna put it. Oh my god! Put it in there. I'm gonna. Before we did they're totally gone. Reflection. I tricked you. Last thing I'm gonna show you my face. I'm looking so ugly. I'm getting so lucky. It's all about reflection. Subscribe it. Hit that subscribe button. So crazy. Boom, boom, boom.